Are you getting the annoying could not download emails error on WhatsApp on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to fix it step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If your internet is weak, swipe down from top, turn airplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it off. If your iPhone storage is full, WhatsApp won't be able to download emails. Go to Settings. Tap General. Select iPhone storage. Delete unused app, videos or photos. Try to keep at least a few gigabytes free for smooth performance. Sometimes WhatsApp doesn't have permission to access your photos. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Select Photos. Tap WhatsApp. Choose All Photos. After enabling permission, reopen WhatsApp and try downloading the image again. Incorrect data and time settings can also cause media download issue. Go to Settings. Tap General. Open Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. This simple fix works for many WhatsApp errors. Using an outdated version of WhatsApp can create bugs and download problems. Open App Store. Search WhatsApp. Tap Update if available. Always keep your apps updated for the best performance. Now, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes system process. If nothing works, reinstall WhatsApp. But before deleting it, make sure to back up your chats. Go to WhatsApp settings. Tap Chats. Tap Chat Backup. Tap Backup now. Then delete and reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the could not download image problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.